If your SwiftUI videos keeps buffering, it's probably not your network and it's not your SwiftUI either. Over the next few episodes, I'll show you exactly why. In this episode, we'll get a real pixel videos showing in a list with search. The detail screen will exist, but playback isn't the go yet. The next episode, I'll deliberately trigger the buffering problem so you can see it happen. First, we model the API response. This is just enough data to power the list and navigation. These computed properties keeps the UI clean. I'm leaving stream selection as a placeholder for now. We'll fix playback reliability later because it's in its own topic. We'll improve the stream selection for reliability also. But that will be done in episode 3. So the next thing we need to do is add a few more structs. Now we need a tiny API layer, just one endpoint. Keep it simple, since the real lesson is about playback. We also need to create our Pexels API class. We build the URL with query params, so search is easy to change. Pexels uses the API key in authorization header. We now create our view model. The view model is the glue. It owns the loading state errors and the results array. So that means that the UI stays dumb. Don't hard code real API keys. It is best to use environment or configuration. For tutorial, I'm keeping it simple so we can just focus on the player's problem later. So this is where you would put your API key. But we missed out a variable. Is loading is needed for the search function that we just created. Var is loading bool equals false. The next file we need to create is our video search view. And that's a SwiftUI view. Xcode is not allowing me to rename the file. Let me try it again. So we name this view video search view. And then I'll just copy and paste everything from the clipboard. Now we build the list UI, the thumbnail, title, creator, duration, and the key thing, tapping a row navigates to the detail view, which will happen here. This will be implemented in the next lesson. And here on lines 59, on first load, we run one search so that the view is instantly populated with the content. So I'll just run the application now, but for the navigation link, I'll just type in empty view. And then you should see the list that's populated with videos. What's happened there? I think I have to open and close Xcode. Also forgot to include the video search view to be called from the video app to app file, which should be here. So that's how it should look. And now we can run it. As you can see, these are the actual videos that we'll be able to play in the next tutorial. But if I click on it now, it just navigates to a blank view. We've got real videos loading and navigation working perfectly. But once we add playback, something annoying happens. Open a video, go back, open it again, it buffers again. In the next episode, I'll show you why and the fix.